Today, I'm going to show you how to create before and after wipe transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I will drag the before and after clip to the timeline. Remember, the after clip should be on top of it. Select the before clip and adjust the size. Now, select the after clip and adjust the size as well. Here simply come to the start of the second clip, select the left side, go to the effects and search wipe transition. Choose the wipe transition and drag it on the start of the second clip. Here you have to select the transition, go to effects and control, choose the color that you want. You can increase the border thickness as well. So, once you play it, here is the result. Now let me give you a tip. Drag the after clip from the right side. Select the transition, copy it, then paste it in the right side. Select the transition again, click on reverse. Choose the after clip and duplicate it. We will delete the right side transition, then drag the clip to the right side. Here is the before and after. Thank you for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.